Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to remove Shopify branding from email notifications. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. To remove email Shopify branding, you need to head over to your setting from the bottom left side of your screen, and there you can see we have notifications under customer events. And here you need to head over to customer notifications, and since you want to remove it from email notifications, you can see we have every type of notification showing up in here. And if I go back, you can see we have everything showing up in here, so you can customize your email notification, customize email template, and remove the branding. So it is pretty easy. You can see vision tech and all that. So below you can see everything is in here that you can modify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.